much. Our good evening, everyone, no? Kung saan ka man in the Philippines, or maybe good morning or good afternoon kung saan ka man saan mang lupalop ng mundo. I'd like to honor, acknowledge, and thank you all for being here. How many of you here are excited for 2025? Type number 1 in the chat box. Go ahead. Now, if I may ask you, no, maliban kay Carla, kasi alam ko talagang excited na excited yan. Pero sa mga 35,000 na kasama natin in our community, Champions of Change, sino dito you wanna make a difference for this 2025 and you wanna make something really good? I would say, better than your 2024. Type number 2 in the chat box. Go ahead. Ayun! Alam nyo, napakaganda ng pag-uusapan natin, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are in the world or wherever you are in the Philippines. Unang-una, again, I'd like to honor, acknowledge, and thank you all for being here. Thank you for investing time, energy, and effort sa iyong sarili. At alam mo, katulad nga nung sinasabi ko, napakaganda ng pag-uusapan natin ngayong gabi because I would say that this could be your kickstart. No? Ito may be yung makakatulong sa'yo para magkaroon ng pagbabago sa iyong 2025. Lalo na, it's still January 9 today. Ibig sabihin, marami ka pang pwedeng gawin, marami pang pwedeng mangyari towards your next 360 days. And here's the thing, can I be honest as early as now? Okay lang po ba mang real talk na? Thumbs up if yes. How many of you here, if you're gonna be honest, okay? If you're gonna be real, how many of you here, tanong ko sa inyo, napansin nyo bang it's been 9 days already that we have spent in 2025? Now, magre-real talk na ako. Some of you, hindi ka pa nakaka-get over doon sa New Year na January 1. Ladies and gentlemen, nakakawalong araw na. What have you been doing? No, sabi nung iba, I'm so excited. Maganda naman yan. Pero, can you imagine, kung ganun lang kadali at kabilis that we take for granted every single day of our lives, then what can we expect for the next 360 days? That's why ako personally, I'd like to acknowledge you because at the very least, you're taking action to making your life work. Because you're taking action to making your life for the better. And the key word that I'd like to share with you here as early as now is the word clarity. What's the word? Type it in the chat box. Clarity. And what clarity am I talking about here? The second word that I'd like to naibabangga dyan sa clarity is what I call intention. Type intention in the chat box. Hindi siya pwedeng clarity lamang, pero kailangan ibabangga mo yan doon sa second word, which is what I call intention. If you're gonna ask me, ladies and gentlemen, bakit importante yung clarity? Because maybe the reason why sometimes walang masyadong nangyari sa iyong buhay noong 2024 kasi hindi ka naging klaro ano nga ba yung gusto mong patunguhan. You just went with the flow. Nakiride ka lang. And paki-type in the chat box, hindi na ako makikiride this 2025. Go ahead. Ask me why. Because the truth is, merong nakalaan na purpose at destiny at path na nakalaan para sa'yo. Pero maybe kaya hindi ka nakakapunta doon kasi lagi ka na lang nakikiride sa destiny at path ng ibang tao. Does that make sense? And maybe, yan din mismo, no? Yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo na maybe for the longest time, we've been taking things for granted and that is why we're not clear and that's why maybe hindi natin nagawa yung kailangan natin mangyari for 2025. Hindi lang pwedeng clarity dito, ladies and gentlemen. Kailangan meron din itong pangalawang bagay which is what we call intention. What's the word? Intention. Ano yung intention, ladies and gentlemen? To know what you're supposed to be doing every single day. And simple man or madali mang pakinggan, pero let's be honest, How many of you here, alam mo naman yung dapat gawin pero hindi mo ginagawa? Anong kalaban nitong clarity and intention if you're gonna ask me what? Kung tatanungin nyo ko, anong kalaban nitong dalawang to? Lalakihan ko yan, no? Gagandahan natin para sa inyo. Ask me what in the chat box. Isa lang. Laziness, procrastination, these are all results of your main enemy, which is what I call distraction. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why your life isn't working, or maybe your 2025 will not work, or maybe the reason why your 2024 did not work is because you got distracted. Ang dami mo kasing trip. Buti sana kung yung trip na yan nakakatulong. Most of the time, it might give you false pleasure rather than actual fulfillment. How many of you here, let's go real talk as early as now, the reason maybe kung bakit hindi naging maganda yung ating 2024 is because you succumbed yourself to what I call false pleasure. Ito yung mga instant gratification na kunwari pleasurable, pero yung totoo, it's bringing more damage, it's bringing more harm than achieving result. Are you guys with me? Itong worst part, ask me what? Tapos ang sasabihin, Coach, I'll take care of myself muna. Gumagamit pa ng script ang mga loko, oh. 'Di ba? Self-care, no? Self-love muna this 2025. Ginamitan na ako ng mga self-care, self-love. Alam mo, okay yan para sa mga taong napapagod kasi nagtatrabaho. Wala ka nang ginawa, nag-procrastinate ka na, tatamad-tamad ka, tapos sasabihin mo, self-care? Type in the chat box, di wow. May mga kilala kayong ganyan? May mga friends kayong ganyan? May mga family members kayong ganyan? Na parang, wala ka namang ginawa, pagod na pagod ka? Diba? Type in the chat, di wow. Tumambay ka lang, kakaharap sa computer, tapos sabihin mo, busy ka, quote-unquote, di wow. Wala, hindi ka naman naging productive, nakatunganga ka lang na kunwari, may mga kilala kayong nagbibisi-bisihan. Type 3 in the chat box if yes. Kilala kayong ganyan? Nagbibisi-bisihan, yes? Diba? Nagbibisi-bisihan, no? Kunyari kung ano na pinaggagawa, pero kapag tinignan mo yung ginagawa, ang nakasulat, ang nakalagay lang naman, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok. Mas marami pa doon personal na chismis or kung ano-ano, rather than actually doing things, yes or no? O eto pa, ask me what? Coach, nagpa-planning po kasi kami. Wow! Natapos yung buong 2024, isang taon, planning pa rin? Type in the chat box. Di wow! Are you guys with me? You succumb yourself to all forms of distraction. And these all forms of distraction creates what? Maybe you put yourself in false pleasures. No? Lagay natin yan. Into fake productivity. Ito yung mga kunwari busy. Ito yung mga over-planning. But ladies and gentlemen, these are all forms of distraction. Are you guys with me? And maybe that's the reason why it's not working. And maybe that's the reason why it's not coming to pass. And maybe that's the reason why it's not happening. Now, would it be okay if we actually explore more on this? Yes or yes? Maybe what I'd like you to do right now is I want you to start reminding yourself of what? Maybe start reminding yourself of, maybe I'd like you to start asking yourself, no? Write it in the chat, not in the chat box. Write it in your notepad. Write it wherever you are. Saan ka man sa Pilipinas, saan ka man sa mundo. I want you to start writing it. Ano nga ba yung mga goals mo? No, let's talk about 2025 for a moment. What are your aspirations for this year? What are your vision? What is your clear intentions, no? What is your vision? Go ahead. Maybe what I'd like to do right now is to actually give you maybe approximately 30 seconds. And in these 30 seconds, I want you to start asking yourself, ano nga bang mga goals and vision ko for 2025? Go ahead. I'm gonna give you some. Now, okay lang ba if i-explore natin ito? Yes? Let's be honest. Whatever goals, whatever vision, and whatever action that you have written, let's pretend, for example, 2024. Isa lang yung reason kung bakit hindi siya nangyari for you last year. And that is alignment. Ano yung alignment, ladies and gentlemen? The reason maybe kung bakit maganda ang 2024 nyo for some of you, it's because simple lang, you were aligned. The reason maybe kung bakit hindi maganda yung 2024 nyo, simple lang, is because you were misaligned. So I want you to start taking a look into not just the alignment that we're talking about. Ang tanong ng iba sa atin dito, Coach, saan ba ako naging misaligned? Good question. Allow me to share that with you. That's a good question because I want you to start taking a look into your mind. Di ba? Yan yung mga vision mo eh. Ito yung mga pinapangarap mo. So maybe, ang mind mo dito is positive. O, di ba? Sino dito masasabi mo positive naman talaga yung mindset mo? However, when you now start to take a look into your heart, maybe that's where you start to put in negative. Bakit? Because napuno na siya ng what? Fear, doubt, worry. Are you guys with me? And maybe dahil napuno na ito ng fear, doubt, and worry, yung heart set natin medyo hindi na siya gumana. Quote-unquote, self-sabotage. Type in the chat box. And maybe how many of you here, type me in the chat box if masasabi mo the reason maybe why it did not happen for you is because you got yourself, you self-sabotage last year. Type me. Ang ganda naman talaga ng mga pangarap ko eh. Okay naman talaga eh. Kaso, yung aking action, yung aking body, hindi nag-align because napangunahan ako ng fear, ng doubt, at ng worry. Therefore, yung mga action ko, yung body ko is full of what? Hesitation, distraction, procrastination. Ladies and gentlemen, all of these things that you actually mentioned, katulad ng hesitation, ng distraction, at ng procrastination is just a what? A symptom. It is just a byproduct. It is just a result of a misaligned life. That's why ang ganda ng ating title, no, sa ating Facebook group. If you actually belong to our Facebook group, good job. If you haven't belonged yet, go to the Champions of Change. Make sure that you actually belong to our Facebook group. At kung meron ka mga friends, mga kakilala na gusto nyo talagang matuto rin at makakuha ng so much value for, as far as I Am Plus is concerned, let them attend the Facebook group Champions of Change kasi we're gonna make this this community, we're gonna make this available for you guys. Is that exciting? Yes? Now, going back. Now, kung alam mo na pala na yung reason for your 2024 is because you were misaligned, kung alam mo na pala na yung reason for your 2024 is ang ganda naman ng iyong vision, pero nagkulang ka into your heart set or your fear, doubt, and worry, and because of that, it translated to your body or into your lack of action, or yung tawag nila dito is inaction, because it translated to hesitation, to distraction, and procrastination. Ladies and gentlemen, isn't that good news? Ha? Bakit naman good news yan? Here's the thing. I want you to acknowledge certain truths. Number one, what's past is past. Kahit na anong regret mo of what happened in the past, hindi mo na yan mababago. Kahit na anong shame yung naramdaman mo last 2024, it already happened. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Therefore, there's nowhere to go but to move forward. Are you guys with me? So number one here, it's what's past is past. However, here's the second truth that I'd like to share with you as to the good news. And that is, the starting point of all change is awareness. The starting point of all change is awareness. Awareness about what? Awareness on what's effective. Ano yung mga magandang nangyari na pwede mong ituloy, pwede mong i-continue, at ano yung mga ineffective, mga hindi magandang nangyari na wag mo nang ituloy, wag mo nang i-continue. Kasi hindi nga siya effective to begin with. Are you guys with me? So maybe if you're gonna ask me, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it is good news. If you're gonna ask me why, Coach Migs, how come it became a good news? Simple lang. Because number one, what's past is past. And number two, it brought you awareness kung ano yung mga misaligned ka. At kailangan mo nang baguhin. At kailangan mo nang palitan. And that awareness already gives you the power. What's the word? The power to be what? Responsible. Alam mo na pala kung ano yung dapat gawin eh. Kasi ito, ladies and gentlemen, alam ko. Ngayon, alam mo na pala kung ano yung dapat gawin. Eh di, nice. Next is, baguhin ko. And last but not the least, hindi lang pwede magkaroon ng tinatawag na responsibility, but you now have the opportunity for what we call commitment. And ano yung commitment, ladies and gentlemen? Panindigan ko. Why are we talking about this? Why are we sharing this? Ask me why, thumbs up. Because here's the truth. Hindi pwedeng aware ka lang. This is just what? 7%. Alam mo lang eh. It's all in the mind. Wala. I'm telling you right now, kahit gaano pa karami yung alam mo, kung yan lang ay kaalaman at walang aksyon, baliwala. It's just what? 7%. I want you to put in 38%, which is what? Baguhin mo. Be intentional. Start making a change. But I don't want you to stop there, because what will allow you to be successful this year and what will allow you to be successful this 2025 is the commitment. Panindigan mo. That's 55%. Some people will call it what? Consistency. And I will guarantee you one thing. Ask me what? Every single day, no if, no but. No weekday, no weekend. Kapag sinabi mo, gagawin mo. No if, no but, no weekday, no weekend. When you say something, you will do it. Number one, when you say something, you will start to what? Can I share to you these tools already? Yes? Number one, when you say something, you will be in integrity. Ibig sabihin, you will keep it no matter what. Alam nyo kung ano yung nagpapahirap ng buhay? Can I be honest with you? Alam nyo kung bakit paminsan hindi gumaganda buhay nyo? Ask me why, thumbs up. Alam nyo yung, ano yung isang bagay na dapat nyong iwasan? Thumbs up. Yung salitang sorry. I'm not asking you not to apologize. I'm asking you, wag ka na humantong sa sitwasyon na kailangan mo pang mag-sorry. Coach, sorry. Sir, sorry. Ma'am, sorry. Can you imagine, sa dami ng sorry mo, kaya wala ka ng confidence level? Sa dami ng sorry mo, kaya hindi na tumitibay loob mo. Paano ka nga naman magkakaroon ng kumpiyansa sa buhay kung sorry ka ng sorry? Paano ka nga naman magkakaroon ng confidence if puro ka na lang palpak? Now, I'm not saying you don't apologize for everything na ginawa mong hindi tama or everything na ginawa mong mali. That's lack of accountability. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is you don't allow yourself to be in position to apologize. Huwag ka nang gumawa ng dahilan para mag-sorry. Huwag ka na humantong sa sitwasyon na kailangan mo pang mag-sorry. Are you guys with me? And how do you do it? Number one, when you say something, you do it no matter what. You start to keep your word. Are you guys with me? But you don't just stop with integrity. Kung gagawin mo na rin lang ang isang bagay, you don't just stop with integrity, you start going into what? Give your all. Some of you, sino dito sometimes nagtataka, bakit ganun coach? Binigay ko naman yung lahat. Binigay ko naman yung sarili ko lahat-lahat. Or sorry, ginawa ko naman yung kailangan kong gawin, pero bakit hindi pa rin ako nagkakaresulta? Bakit di ako nagkakaroon ng break? Bakit may mga kasama ako, sila nabibigyan sila ng oportunidad, ako hindi? Tanong nyo rin ba yon? Di ba sometimes napapatanong tayo eh. Bakit ganun? Ginawa ko naman, simple lang. You did not give your all. You kept your word, yes. You showed up, yes. But sorry to say, showing up is a minimum requirement. You gotta give your what? 101%. Here's the thing about 101%. Ask me what, thumbs up. Hindi niya nire-require na kailangan perfect ka. Yan ang good news sa pagbibigay ng 101%. Hindi naman niya nire-require na hindi ka na magkamali. Hindi naman niya nire-require na kailangan perfect ka. Hindi niya naman nire-require na kailangan flawless ka na. Because wala eh. Sometimes mistakes happen, yes? But here's my question. Before you could say na mistakes happen, ang tanong, ibinigay mo ba muna ng buong buo? Ibinigay mo ba muna ng buong buo? Did you give your all? Did you keep your word? And last but not the least, you did not just keep your word, you did not just give your all. But last but not the least here is you became thoughtful. Ano yung thoughtful, ladies and gentlemen? May malasakit. Ano yung malasakit? Pinag-isipan. May mga kilala ba kayo? Sino dito may mga katrabaho, maybe ka-negosyo, colleague, na parang ginawa niya ngayong isang bagay, pero instead na natuwa ka, nabuisit ka. Instead na, uy, okay to ah. Parang, hindi ka natuwa? Yes? Ask me why. Kasi paminsan hindi pinag-isipan yung gawa eh, di ba? Wala man lang malasakit eh. Nagpakita nga, wala namang malasakit. Para saan? Sinabi nga, nag-show up. Hindi naman ginamitan ng thoughtfulness. Hindi naman pinag-isipan. Hindi naman ginamitan ng utak. Para saan? Are you guys with me? Now, how many of you here wanna be successful in life? Thumbs up. Tanong ko sa inyo, ladies and gentlemen, 1 out of 10, give yourself a score. 1 out of 10, give yourself a score. Number 1, did you keep your word last year? No if, no but, 100%. Kung no, there's your answer. Number 2, did you give your all? 101%. If no, there's your answer. And last but not the least, ito, kailangan kong ano. Sino dito gusto nyo maging successful this 2025? Ginamitan nyo ba ng utak? O mema lang? May magawa? May masabing may inambag? Now, can I be honest with you, pagdating sa paggamit ng isip or yung pinag-isipan or malasakit, okay lang ba explore natin to? Thumbs up if yes. Hindi niya nire-require na matalino ka. Hindi niya nire-require na kabisado mo yung libro. Hindi niya nire-require na kailangan you're number 1 in math or number 1 in science. Hindi niya nire-require yon, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi siya nagre-require ng diploma. Ano lang nire-require niya? Ask me what? Number 1, did you become resourceful enough? Did you become resourceful enough? Ibig sabihin, ito yung, Sir, Coach, wala kasi akong pera. Eh, di gawan mong paraan. Coach, hindi po kasi ako nakapagtapos. Ano naman? Wala namang nanja-judge sa'yo. Gawan mong paraan. Instead na puro reklamo, puro complain, just be resourceful instead. Are you guys with me? That's number 1. Number 2, You don't just stop with being resourceful, you go to number 2, and number 2 here is nilagyan mo ba ng diskarte? Ano yung diskarte, ladies and gentlemen? Going beyond. Ito personally, I'd like to share this with you, personal note. Okay lang ba? There are certain people in my organization that I've already given businesses to. No? In fact, the tech director of Exponential University, ang pangalan niya si Coach Paulo Segura. Maybe na-meet nyo na siya in the past. Okay? Dati, ano kami? Kwento ko pa, Dati, ano kami? Warla, no? Di kami nagkakainisan kami kasi ito rin yung nire-require ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, Pao, hindi pwede yan. I don't accept 100%. You give me more. Tapos, until such time na nag-gets niya. Right now, I already gave him opportunities. Now, the tech director for the entire content creator, no? The lead content creator for our exponentialuniversity.com. And ako, super proud ako because ito lang ang ginawa niya. Hindi lang siya naging resourceful, he went beyond. Ikaw, tanungin mo yung sarili mo, did you go beyond? Kasi kung hindi, huwag kang magtaka. And last but not the least, did you take initiative? Ito yung hindi ka na naghihintay ng instruction. Ito yung sino dito yung wanna be promoted in your career, in your jobs. Tama? Gusto nyo mabigyan ng opportunity, mabigyan ng break, yes? Dapat hindi pa naiisip ng boss nyo, alam nyo na. Ginawa mo na. Tawag dyan, ladies and gentlemen, initiative. Dapat nauna ka nang gawin bago pa maisip ng business ng kliyente mo. Sorry. Bago pa maisip ng customer mo. Bago pa maisip ng kliyente mo. Bago pa maisip ng boss mo. Tawag dyan initiative. Kasi kung if your boss or if your client will tell you how to do your job, why should they pay you? Quote unquote, type in the chat box, hindi ba trabaho mo yun? So hindi ba dapat they should not tell you how to do your job because you should know how to do it? Are you guys with me? Tawag dyan, ladies and gentlemen, did you become resourceful enough? Did you go beyond? Tawag dyan, diskarte. Or maybe, did you take initiative? Did you guys learn a lot today? Ladies and gentlemen, these are the key things. Allow me to put it into perspective. These are the key things that will make your life better this 2025. Yan, i-ano ko sa inyo, no? Yun. Ito, Zoom to Fit content. Yan. These are the things na kailangan nyong makuha. Okay? If you want your 2025 to be aligned. These are the key things na kailangan nyong maybe makatulong if you want 2025 to work for you. So maybe here's what I want before we move to the next phase, no? Would it be okay if I actually ask you, sino dito marami kang natutunan? Type 1 in the chat box. Marami kang nakuhang value. Type 1 in the chat box. Go ahead. No, sa 50 na nandito, I love it, guys. Welcome to the Champions of Change. I truly appreciate and acknowledge all of you for being here. Kung ganito kayo karami all the time, dadalasan ko ang pagbibigay ng value sa inyo for free. Maganda ba yon? O, manghikayat na kayo ng mga friends nyo, libre lang naman to. Punta na kayo, damihan natin dito. If I'm not mistaken, good for 500 to 1,000 packs ang kaya nitong room natin. So, damihan nyo na yan, i-G nyo na yan para talagang dadalasan natin yung paggawa nito. Exciting? Alright, so, here's my request. If marami kayong nakuhang value at marami kayong natutunan, would it be okay if I actually give you 30 seconds to 1 minute? Type mo naman sa chat box, what's your biggest learning? What's your biggest takeaway? What's the biggest value that you actually got from tonight? Yes? Can you please type it right now? Welcome back, everyone. Okay, I love it. I've been reading your values, your takeaways. Focus on the things I need to learn. Clarity on the goals and what you want in life. Giving your 101%. Reflecting, be aware, taking action. I love it, no? Isa lang request ko. Ask me what? Start applying it this 2025. Talagang take into action all of these things, ladies and gentlemen. Talagang, yun nga, no? Sabi dito, talagang taking initiative. Go ahead. Is this making sense? Yan talaga ang gusto kong hopefully ma-apply natin come this year. Now, would it be okay, no? Allow me to share this. Would it be okay if I actually share with you how further we can help you as I Am Plus into your personal growth, into your personal mastery, into your personal development this 2025? Yes? All right. So here's what I want you to do, no? I'd like to call in Paulo. Paulo, in a moment, in a while, will be sharing with you paano kami mas makakatulong pa, what are our schedules for discovery. By the way, we already have we are now running discovery in 4 different locations. Okay, but Paulo will be sharing with you yung aming dalawang location, which is actually our Pasig and our Cavite. Okay? Yan yung mga i-share sa inyo ni Paulo. What are our schedules for that? Of course, meron kaming organizational development. Kung ikaw ay gusto mo magtayo ng negosyo, you are a startup business, or ikaw ay may existing na negosyo, we have an organizational development seminar called Elevate. Paulo will be sharing that with you as well. It's gonna happen on January 18. Okay? It's just a one-day low-ticket program. And of course, last but not the least, Paulo will be sharing with you our Ako Naman Muna on February 2025. It's gonna happen on February 15. Ang location will be to be announced. It's like our The Power of You event. So, would it be okay if we actually share that with you? Yes? All right. So, without further ado, everybody take a deep breath.
Thank you so much, everyone. Everybody take a deep breath. And exhale. How many of you here just had so much value na nakuha nyo kay Coach Migs tonight? Can you just chat one in the chat box kung nakuha kayo ng sobrang daming value from Coach Migs? Okay, love it. Thank you so much, Val. Thank you, Carla, Nelson. Sobrang dami naman talaga. Thank you. And I also just want to be able to just give you a brief introduction as to saan kami nanggaling, kami ni Coach Migs. So I just want to introduce to you guys really quickly I Am Plus. How many of you here, maybe just chat 2 in the chat box if you've heard of us sa I Am Plus Coaching and Training Corporation. 2, medyo marami na rin. John, si Val, thank you so much. We've got Fitz as well. Baby, thank you. Maybe just chat in 3 in the chat box if you actually have not heard of us before or hindi kayo familiar sa I Am Plus. Meron ba? Or is everyone here familiar with I Am Plus? Diana, thank you. That's honest. I appreciate it na you're mentioning that. Would it be okay for everyone else here? I quickly introduce who I Am Plus is and how we are able to give value to you guys, not just in tonight's session, but also moving forward with the different programs that we have. Maybe just chat 4 in the chat box kung okay lang. Gusto ko lang rin magpaalam sa inyo. Is that great? Thank you so much. So quickly lang, who I Am Plus is, really is, we're an organization that helps individuals and teams with self-mastery, with leadership, and we also help hundreds of people level up with their well-being and career through seminars and courses that are related to personal mastery. So what does that mean? We being able to not just learn how to lead other people, but first and foremost, get to know ourselves as much as we can, because the first person that we really need to lead is ourselves. That's why it's really all about personal mastery. Whether it's us leading ourselves when it comes to our health, with our relationships, with our career, with our finances, our wholeness, and also our fun. And that's through the different courses, whether we do it face-to-face or online as well. Just like what Coach Mix mentioned earlier, I am the production head for Exponential University, which is basically I Am Plus Digitals, where we focus on leadership transformation, again, self-image, knowing who we truly are and who we truly can be as beautiful creations of God naman talaga, bringing into individuals and organizations the culture of number 1, capability. Ibig sabihin, kayang-kaya ko kahit anong gusto namin gawin. Who you wanna be. Also, personal responsibility, knowing that I am accountable for my decisions, for my choices, just to make sure we have that awareness of, tulad ng sinabi ni Coach Mix kanina, of being effective. Having that awareness of being responsible, and also being committed and consistent with everything that we do. Because at the end of the day, we just want to remind ourselves as who we truly are as God's creation. Because the reality is, tayong lahat, we were born to be excellent, amazing, committed, and all the beautiful things you could describe to another person. Tayo naman talaga yan. And here with I Am Plus, gusto lang namin magyabang. Okay lang ba magyabang kami a little bit? We've actually had past students such as Real Talk Darbs, Ding Dong Dantes, and Boss RDR who could only say beautiful things lang talaga about I Am Plus. Yun lang rin talaga. And we've conducted over 144 successful batches of discovery. And that's just discovery pa lamang. And different private, personal, and business development sessions. And tulad ng sinabi ni Coach Migs, the next one that we're going to have is gonna be here in the House of Transformation at Ayala Malls the 30th in Ortigas. That's gonna be January 11 to 12. How many of you here, maybe just chat 11 in the chat box kung nakapag-attend na kayo ng Discovery? Tulad ko. It's gonna be this coming weekend right away, January 11 and 12, 2025. Medyo marami na rin tayo here in this group. And maybe just chat 22 in the chat box if nagbago rin ang buhay ninyo thanks to Discovery and nakilala nyo pa more ang sarili ninyo tulad ng sinabi natin kanina. Yes, me included. Yep, syempre. So for those who have not yet attended Discovery yet, wherein basically we just want you to also just remember who you truly are. Being able to discover more parts of yourselves na you know you're capable, you're responsible, and that you matter. If this is something that you are interested in, please just scan and register through the QR code that's showing on the screen right now. And yes, Mitzi, kapag napupuno namin ng mga weekend discoveries, we then have weekday discoveries as well. We will just update you on the Facebook page kapag nakapag-schedule na tayo ng weekday discovery, and ginagawa rin namin yan. And also, I also just want to share that we also have another discovery seminar that's happening This month pa rin is gonna be in Cavite, is in the Plazuela building in Bacoor Boulevard. It's gonna be on January 25 and 26. This is just for around maximum 40 people. If you want it to be a little bit more intimate, I highly suggest, and if taga-South rin kayo, I highly suggest that you attend Discovery here in Cavite. Kasi yes, this is in person, this is face-to-face as well. We don't do this online simply because Discovery, the beauty of this compared to most seminars, most programs like this is that most of the time it's really all about talking. May nagsasabi or nagsusulat kayo ng journal about what are you learning about yourself. But the difference with Discovery is that it's an action course. You really get to experience who you are wholly, not just mentally, just by listening to another person, but also physically, because there are a lot of activities. You get to actually interact with other people to experience those lessons, and most of all, emotionally as well. Because of that interaction, nadadamay at nadadamay ang buong pagkatao mo when you do these action courses with Discovery. And yes, Diana, tagasan ka ba? If I just may ask real quickly, because we've had Discovery scheduled in Japan before, we've had Discovery in Dubai as well. We also have Discovery in Mindanao, tulad ng sabi ni, out of the country ang Mindanao. In the UK, we don't have it yet in the UK, pero if we can get more than enough people to build a class, we will definitely bring Discovery to the UK. Diana, kung okay lang, maybe you can message us sa IAM Plus Facebook page and see how we could actually build a class with you. Aabangan kayo ng aming sales directors and sales managers as well. How many do we need? Chi, Carla, alam nyo ba kung ilan ang kailangan para makapagbuo ng class? Maybe just chat in the chat box. Oh, syempre naman, kung pupunta kami ng ibang bansa, Enzo, sasama si Coach Mings siya kasi si Coach Russ. Ay, hindi, kala ko si ibang bansa. In Cavite, it's definitely gonna be Coach Migs in Cavite. Si Coach Russ, he doesn't do Discovery that much anymore. Nagsa-special appearance lang yan siya. Pero every now and then, it's just a wonderful surprise. Okay, so that's it for Discovery. Again, we've got Discovery Cavite. If you wanna learn more about that and register, scan this QR code right here. Maybe just take a screenshot so that you can scan it later na naman. And of course, these are our personal mastery courses. But if you wanna take your leadership in terms of in an organizational setup to your next level, I highly, highly suggest that you join Elevate. Elevate is really a one-day program wherein we get to talk about organizational development. And I'm not just talking about reorganizing your organization, but it's also really about how do you actually shift your leadership into one that's more caring, one more connecting, where you can be more likable, more reliable, so that your team members will simply just follow suit naturally, simply by changing your leadership, because this is where we get to address the top 5 problems in the world, not just personally, but also the top 5 problems when it comes to organizations as to why employees are actually leaving their companies. This is where we talk about that in Elevate. The beauty of Elevate as well is that, as I mentioned earlier, ang specialty naman talaga namin is all about action courses. It's gonna be face-to-face. Sobrang action-packed rin talaga to when you do this face-to-face. Yet, there's also an option to attend this via Zoom. This is gonna happen on Wednesday ba to, Carla? Chi? Or Thursday? This is gonna happen on a weekday. It's gonna be at the House of Transformation in Ayala Malls, the 30th in Ortigas. It's gonna be January 18, 2025. Weekend ba? Ang 18? Saturday. Okay, thank you so much for clarifying that. It's gonna be on a Saturday. If you want to take your leadership to the next level, if you want to get rid of micromanaging simply because you can make sure that your people are self-managed, self-motivated, and self-sustained, I highly, highly suggest you join Elevate if that's what you want, because you're sick and tired of managing people who can't manage themselves as well. Yun. And yes, totoo, gusto ko rin sumama sa UK. Thank you so much, Val. And last but not the least, I also want to highlight that we have a grand, ako naman muna, this coming February 2025. If you want to join the wait list and learn more on when this is going to happen, please scan the QR code that's available there. And for those na hindi makapag-scan ng QR code because maybe pixelated sa ibang computers, Chi, may I ask you, or Carla, may I ask you to paste the link down below? Not just here sa Zoom, pero also on the Facebook group as well for others to join Ako Naman Muna. Pwede ko ba to i-replay? Hindi. In Ako Naman Muna, this is where Coach Ross takes the stage himself. This is one full day wherein Coach Ross simply talks about the value and why it's important to just really be taking care of yourselves on a day-to-day basis. Because how can we make sure that we take care of our business, take care of our family, take care of everything else that matters to us if we forget to take care of ourselves? And that's again happening this coming February. Please do scan the QR code, click the link here on the Zoom and also on the Facebook page for you to waitlist for the grand Ako Naman Muna webinar this coming February, as I invite everybody to take a deep breath and exhale. And again, if you had a lot of value in tonight's session, maybe just chat in the chat box again, goals. If you feel that you can be more aligned with your goals this coming 2025. Okay, beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us in tonight's session. We will be seeing you again next Thursday. We will be doing this on a week-to-week basis. And this is going to be free on the Champions of Change Facebook group. So make sure that you always keep yourself updated, not just on the Facebook page, but also on the Facebook group. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-join sa Facebook group namin, we're gonna drop in the chat box right now the link for the Facebook group, which is right here for our next free webinars. And again, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us tonight with Coach Migs. Next week, we're gonna have another IM Plus facilitator who will be just bringing in so much value, which will bring you to your next level in terms of personal mastery, personal growth, and personal development. Having said that, thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful night.